I have great news. USCIS is expanding premium processing if you are deciding to change to F, M, or J status. USCIS has announced the expansion of premium processing for applicants filing the I-539 application to change status. So that would be for F1, F2, M1, M2, J1, or J2. Now the online filing form of Form I-907, that's for premium processing, and it now will be available to you if you're in one of those categories. This is going to occur in phases beginning June 13th. USCIS is going to accept the premium processing request filed through paper or online if you're seeking to change status to F1, F2, M1, M2, J1, or J2 who have a pending Form I-539. Beginning June 26th, USCIS will accept the premium processing I-907 filed either via paper or online for applicants seeking to change status to F1, F2, M1, M2, J1, or J2 when filed together with Form I-539. So what this basically means is on June 26th, that is the legit date when you can actually file premium processing for a new change of status. This phase of premium processing is only available for change of status requests. Premium processing is not available for individuals seeking an extension of stay in M1 or M2. USCIS is going to reject premium processing requests for a pending Form I-539 if it is received before June 13th. Now, at the time of this recording, it's on June 12th, 2023, so it'll already be past that date, so nothing to worry about that. USCIS is going to reject premium processing requests when filed together with the Form I-539 if USCIS receives the request before June 26th. It's an important reminder here. You must submit Form I-907 the same way you submit the Form I-539. What this means is that if you mail a paper Form I-539, you got to mail the paper Form I-907. If you submit the Form I-539 online, you got to submit the Form I-907 online as well. Applicants must submit their biometrics before premium processing can begin for these specific categories. Even if USCIS accepts an application Form I-907 and accompanying fees, the time limit for premium processing will not start running until the applicant and all co-applicants included on the Form I-539 submit their biometrics. Now, please note, USCIS may reject an applicant's Form I-907 or Form I-539 if submitted with another benefit request, including multiple Form I-907 requests filed together. To file Form I-907 online, an applicant must first create a USCIS online account. This provides a convenient and secure method to submit forms, pay fees, and track the status of a pending USCIS immigration request throughout the adjudication process. Now you might be wondering, well, is there a cost to do this? No, there's not a cost to set up a USCIS online account. And the online account offers a variety of features, including the ability to communicate with USCIS through a secure inbox and respond to requests for evidence online. As previously announced, the expansion of premium processing is part of USCIS's effort to increase efficiency and reduce burdens to the overall immigration system. What's great news is that USCIS is also expanding premium processing in a phased approach to ensure compliance with the Emergency Stopgap USCIS Stabilization Act, which prohibits the expansion of premium processing if it will increase premium processing times for immigration benefit requests. Overall, this is fantastic news. Now, my concern is that there are other applications while this is happening, such as I-601As, J1 waivers, where the processing time is becoming longer or staying the same. So for instance, I-601As, the Nebraska Service Center is currently at 44 months. J1 waivers are taking anywhere from 17 months to 2 years. So my concern is these times need to be addressed as well. I want to applaud USCIS for taking a step in the right direction. However, they need to also address the other backlogs as well. And that is why USCIS has received a lawsuit of the unfathomable times for I-601As. I'm hoping to see the processing times come down with those cases because of that lawsuit and because it's the morally right thing to do. Subscribe if you haven't had a chance to, because you want to make sure you get these updates. Share this with a friend who may need this information. And I want to thank you for being amazing. By taking the time to watch this video, you're bettering yourself. By bettering yourself, you're bettering your family. And by bettering your family, you are bettering the world.